Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to enable and disable relative effort in Strava. The relative effort is a Strava feature that measures how much cardiovascular effort you put into your workouts. It uses heart rate data to calculate a score, which helps you understand how hard you have worked compared to other sessions. This feature is available only to Strava subscribers. So, to enable the relative effort, you need to ensure that you have a heart rate monitor, like a watch or like an Apple Watch, for example. And as I already told you, you need to be subscribed. And also, you need to enable heart rate data sharing. Alright, so once you complete all the things that I talked about, you need to go into you right here on the bottom right corner, and after that you need to hit the gear icon on the top right corner, and right here as you can see we will look for that option display. It's on the preferences section, so tap on it. And yeah, right here you will have the relative effort. So yeah, just like the autoplay videos, so you can just tap right here to enable it or disable it. It will be with the relative effort name. Anyways, that's it. I don't have that option because I didn't complete all the things that I already talked to you about. So it's not visible to me too. So you need to do the steps that I already talked about, and you will have it right here on the display. Anyways, that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.